Hi friends, welcome to the daily answer writing. Guys, today I have selected a very important questions from the current affairs. Recently, the Human Development Index has been released and India has been ranked 132nd. In this context, I framed the question why India ranks low on HDI. Guys, here while writing the answer in the introduction, you have to start with the context, and in the context, you have to basically give some facts to show that it is low. We can say that recently released HDI 2021-22 ranks India at 132, while neighbors like Bangladesh, Nepal and Sri Lanka have been ranked at, I think it's 127, this is 123 and 73 position respectively. Thus, although India has higher per capita income than most of its neighbors, but it lags behind them on HDI. Okay, so you have told in the answer that India's, although the economy is doing good, but on the HDI we are basically lagging. Then you will give a heading, reasons for low rank on HDI. We all know that HDI basically comprises of health, education and standard of life. Okay, so we can state the first reason. Basically we can start with low expenditure on health sector. Here giving facts is very important. You can say that India spends just 1.5% of GDP on health, which is one of the lowest in the world. This low spending reflects in poor health infrastructure and deficit in human resource in health sector. %70 of expenditure on health is out of pocket. Second, you can give low expenditure on education. India is among the lowest ranked country in terms of expenditure on education. This poor spending results in poor learning outcome. Okay, so 2 points you have written, most important 2 points you have written. Then third point what you can write is that high level of informalization. Around 86% of workforce is employed in informal sector, which gives low wages and no social security. Fourth, next what you can write is that poor sanitation and drinking water deficit leads to high morbidity and mortality in population. Next what you can write is that high level of MPI still more than 50% of population is multidimensional. Poor. Next what you can write is high levels of unemployment leads to increased poverty and hunger among the population. Last but not the least, you can say that okay, governance because of governance most of the government schemes are not effective. Thus, the expenditure on social sector does not get reflected in development outcomes. Last point you can write gender inequality. India has a huge problem of gender discrimination which affects all sectors of development. In the end, what you can write is, to sum up, because question is only asking why the rank is low. Okay, so mostly you have to focus more on the reasons. So you have given 8 reasons. To sum up, low social spending and poor governance has held India back on development. See, why I have not given way for some suggestions to improve the HDI, because see, the question focus is just 10 marks. In 10 marks, if you spend more amount of time in giving suggestions, because suggestions you will take a lot of space and that is not asked in the question. So here directly question is why India ranks low. It is not saying discuss or it is not saying analyze, just why India ranks low. So you see 1, 2, low health expenditure. Then I have given so many facts here. Okay, then you see here also low expenditure on education, it's around 3%. Okay, so to second point, then you see here informal, third point sanitation, 4th point, 5th point poor poverty, unemployment, 6th point, 7th point malgovernance, 8th point general equality. So easily you can expect 8 out of 10 if you write like this. I hope you like this answer. Okay, if you like more, if you want me to write more answers every day, okay, please hit the like button and please let me know which other questions you want me to take. Okay, thank you friends, bye bye, take care.